up, guys? This is DJ underscore young underscore Louis, and welcome back another series of my boxing videos. This is part 3 of my boxing videos. See, 1, 2, 3. Like, okay. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe because you just hit part of my family. You might as well hit that subscribe. So welcome back to my videos. Like, I'm DJ underscore young Louis. So yeah, I like my YouTube and every social media account. You can follow me on Instagram, Musically, Twitter, Snapchat, everything. I'll link it in the description below in my YouTube. Okay, so let's get to unboxing. So we got another envelope package because look, like all of these package, we got one more to go. You see, all these M's are. Drop in. Okay, we go. So here it is. Let's see what's inside. It's a CyberLink 2.5 SATA hard drive USB 3.0 enclosure. Connects 2.5 hard drive device to your computer to available USB 2.0 port. So it was available. It's compatible with PC and Mac. PC and Mac. USB 3.0. And it works with 2.5 inch SATA and SSD drive. I got a WD black USB hard drive that I got out from my dad's computer, my dad's computer. So anyway, we don't need to know that. So let's open it. Oh my god, it's a fucking thing. It's could work. Sorry for the background noise. The AC is on, and I'm watching videos, so bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. So once we open it, we have a tab to take out. Let me get this tab. I'll go into beast mode. Y'all, we have to rip it to presentation. Inside we have a USB 3.0 cable. We have some. We got spread the left online. Your reviews, help buyers you like, you make the right choice. Here's the website, email, and call. So we're gonna plug it, file that, and we got save me the user books and shit. You need to file that to the side. I'm gonna go deeper. I'm going to, and we have the device itself. This is surprisingly tight. Not gonna need all of that. How about this? You just take it out, and pretty much it. You got your on-off switch. That's where you plug in your USB cable. This is one of those USB to USB cables. And let's open it. And this is made out of plastic, like cheap made plastic. But this one made very cheaply because some hard drive enclosures might get hot, like your computer hard drive or USB hard drive. So this one made cheaply made. And just open this right. Oh God. Struggle off on this off camera. Oh, find a way. Get your nails. And like that, you got some foam, and pretty much it. Your electronics. That's where you plug in your hard drive in there. Okay, that's the wrong way. And pretty much it, like this. So yeah, this one is like a little bit big, but still fits. So yeah. So y'all, that's my unboxing. So please rate, like, and subscribe, and comment on this video. So this is DJ _young_Louis signing off. Bye.